Wonderful 4-bedroom 3-bath home in excellent condition and beautifully updated. This Lynden Craftsman is stunning both inside and out. Large covered porch at the entry is inviting. Enjoy the open floor plan with hardwood floors, great fireplace surrounded with bookshelves and natural lighting. The kitchen has all new top-of-the-line appliances. Step out to the oversized back/side yard and enjoy sun-soaked privacy. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor, including the primary suite with dual closets, bathroom with both a shower and tub. Other bedroom has 3/4 guest bath near. New washer and dryer in mudroom leads to garage. Be sure to see the amazing new garage floor. Upstairs are 2 more large bedrooms, full bath and flex space. Air conditioner too.